He used to play with engines, then he longed to drive the train. But then he thought he'd be a sailor man. But now he's seen the Air Force boys, he's changed his mind again. He says he wants to fly when he's a man. He wants to be a pilot and to wear a suit of blue. He wants a pair of wings, those lovely silver wings. Forgotten are his picture books and all his other toys. He's got to be a Spitfire when he plays with other boys. He knows his birthday's very near. He wants an aeroplane. A hurricane will do just for a start. For every night in dreams he flies away up in the bright blue sky. He wants to be a pilot, bless his heart. He knows the name and history of every kind of plane. There's nothing in the air he wouldn't fly. He's just like all the other boys, they're all of them the same. Just hoping that the years will hurry by. He wants to be a pilot